S.V. Raghavan, Scientific Secretary to Government of India on 19th of September 2014. This center, data center, where we are hosting applications and the work of many other organizations also, is open 24 hours on all 7 days for all 365 days a year. We have in this data center more than 60 terabytes of storage space, besides having other memory storages available with us. We have also been able to get 9 enhanced fellowships which have been given to us by the DIET, Ministry of Communication and IT. Our library is now completely computerized, and the RFID system is operating in the library completely. We have ultra-modern corporate office being developed in the same building where we have our computer center, and it has a carpet area of about 20,000 square meters, and is again going to be the unique office where we will be in a position to give services to our students and also to other stakeholders at one single place. The state-of-art computer labs, automated solutions of IT resources with single interface for administration and entire IT infrastructure is housed in that building. We are also conscious of the energy crisis at the global level, and we have already installed 350 kilowatts of solar power, which is feeding this building actually, and some of the laboratories around there. During this period, we have also initiated renovation and modernization of Institute Canteen, the Annapurna, which is run by ISKCON Akshay Patra Group, and also we have Air Toast, which is also run at other place just behind this pandal, which also gives us the fresh hygienic food. The Vivekanand Lecture Hall complex, which is going to be unique to this institution, can house 7,000 students in one go. It is going to have about 50 classrooms with and 20 tutorial classrooms which can house these students. The complex has 34,360 square meters and is built with 80 crores expenditure. The building is green building and will have all its equipment powered by the solar panels which will be fitted on top of that. We have also recently completed the pre-engineering buildings, light gauge framed structures, and about 4,000 square meters of space has been created, and various laboratories have been housed in that. 2 entire floors of electronics engineering department have been added, which will be ready shortly, maybe in another 15 to 20 days, and we are in the process of equipping various spaces with the latest equipment in this building. We have also developed 3 new synthetic tennis courts with floodlights, which are of international standard and will be made available shortly, maybe within a week. The painting is going on in that direction. Some new projects which the Board of Governors has already given its permission for planning, in fact, are the extension of architecture building, new girls hostel, new boys hostel, married student accommodation, new teaching block, and those non-teaching blocks, and these projects are expected to start in 2015-16 financial year. Rajasthan, which is basically a dry place where water is most important thing, we are conscious of it, and we probably will be shortly getting 3 MLDs potable water connection from Bisalpur, which is in the advanced stage of negotiation, and also we are also having the treatment plant for the sewage of 1 MLD capacity besides the existing one which we are which is functional today. This institution has a unique thing which is not found in any institution in the country, and that is we have launched the ERP, which is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning solution with us. And we have implemented its 5 modules which are integrated, namely academics, finance and accounts, HR and payroll, administration, and many other miscellaneous activities. In this integrated e-governance environment, all units communicate through a single system for all types of activities. It is envisaged that through this ERP, official transactions will be carried out in a quick and in an effective manner while ensuring greater transparency and accountability. This system is completely web-based and can be accessed from any place. It is expected to increase the satisfaction level among the students and other stakeholders and would build teams in this institution to make it more effective. The entrepreneurship development camps are being regularly conducted, organized by the EDP cell, and we train and motivate the students who are interested in pursuing the career of entrepreneurship. We also keep on organizing conferences, seminars, workshops, and during the Golden Jubilee year, the Institute organized more than 700 programs during that 1 year. And during this year also, we have kept the momentum on, and more than 20 conferences have been conducted since last convocation. More than 100 seminars have been conducted. Conferences have been conducted in frontier areas of research like soft materials, biomaterials, bioengineering, pulsed laser deposition, sustained neighborhood, special functions and applications, energy efficiency and the impact on environment. And also, we have also conducted 20 short-term training programs for the professionals and other faculty members of other institutions. This institution also was responsible for conducting the postgraduate admissions for the 3rd time in a sequence, and last year we conducted the CCMT, which now is being organized by other institutions. It has been handed over to other institutions. We were also responsible for admission at the undergraduate level, and this is for the first time when there has been no court case on the processes which were involved in this particular admission process. Besides this, the Government of India also gave us additional responsibility of conducting admissions to the Eastern States and Union Territories, which we called as CSAB NEUT, and this was done for the first time, and we did it very successfully. We also have student activities, and which are basically done by the students only, and it is a student-student mentorship program which we started last year and is working very effectively and is helping the seniors, junior students to mix with the senior students who handhold them and help them in organizing and bringing out the best from these freshmen, and they organize different exhibitions, participate in different social activities, get involved in the cultural and sports activities, besides many other activities which they have been carrying out. This institution, this was for the first time that we got also funding from Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprise, MSME, Government of India, to the tune of 42 lakhs for the projects of undergraduate students in different areas like exoskeleton, robotic limbs, seawater desalination, clover boards, wheelchair control, switch mode actuators, smart copter robotic technology, and many such projects have been financed by MSME. The students do take part in the sports activities, and last year we were in a position to get 41 medals by participating in a few institutions. And in BITS Pilani, we achieved 9 gold medals, 19 silver, 13 bronze medals, and were considered to be the champions in that trophy. So similarly, the All India Advani Memorial Basketball, where the national players who represent India come to this institution and take part in this Advani Memorial Basketball Tournament. And this was organized between 9th and 13th of April last year. 8 boys teams and 6 girl teams participated, and the chairperson of ICIC Bank, Madam Chanda Kochar, in fact, came and distributed the awards. We also are considered to be an important institution, and we have been chosen as only NIT to take part in the Unnat Bharat scheme, where the developments which are taking place in the technical education have to be translated to the base level. And we have identified 5 villages in the state of Rajasthan, and our responsibility is to make these villages as the model villages. This is the only NIT besides IITs where this scheme is operational. On the basis of the survey, it was observed that all the villages face problems related to drinking water, skill development, health and medical facilities, drainages, roads, shortage of toilets in houses, street lights, and we are preparing a DPR for implementing and transforming these villages into the model villages. We also participate in different activities like National Education Day, and also we are part of a link program with the University of Illinois, where the students of University of Illinois will be visiting our campus, staying here with us, working with us in order to transform those villages which we have identified, along with some of the NGOs, and the students are expected to be here in next month. The placement of our students is quite significant. This year, in fact, we have 86 prominent companies have visited our institution, and about 580 placements have already been there, both at BTech level as well as at MTech level. We are conscious of the relationship with our alumni, and we keep on hosting our alumni on 25th year, and this year we had an open session with the alumni of all the batches who came here, interacted with us, tried to give us suggestions that how we can take this institution to the next level. MNIT has persistently strived to achieve the objectives specified in its vision statement, namely to impart technical education of international standard and conduct research at the cutting edge of the technology to keep pace with the technological developments in the world. I would like to put on record that all this has been possible due to the liberal funding provided by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. The hard work of faculty and staff and the students who keep us on the thinking mode have helped us in coming up to the expectations of our stakeholders. On this occasion of 9th convocation, I express my gratefulness to all the dignitaries and guests who have spared their precious time to be with us here. I once again congratulate the students receiving their degrees and their parents, for whom it is a proud moment day. I wish them bright success in achieving their goals and ambitions, and hope that they will scale greater heights of fame in the years to come. I also hope that they will dedicate their services to the people of this country and will work actively for the betterment of the society. Jai Hind.